Hello! Welcome to our series of lesson ideas for music educators. Learn how to make the most out of Flat4 Education to create engaging lessons. If you haven't tried Flat4 Education yet, what are you waiting for? Unlock your education superpower by signing up now and get a 3-month free trial. Let's talk about pitch. With this activity, we want students to learn the name of the notes and practice reading music. Hey, now that we are here, what if you subscribe to our channel? You'll show us your support while getting great content. First, create a score. Now, with the annotation tool available in the text toolbar, insert some note names. Also, you need to activate the solfege note head in your layout settings. For everyone to get their own copy of the score, you need to create a template assignment. Don't forget to lock the template to prevent your students from deleting what you have inserted on the score. By the way, you can learn how to create a score and the assignments on our dedicated video tutorials available on the card and the description of this video. Now, it's time to ask your students to insert the notes on the staff. Tip: you can use the student view to understand what your students are seeing. After this activity, you'll repeat this exercise, but the other way around. Insert the notes on the staff and let your students insert the note names with the annotation tool. Tip: use a simple melody from a popular song that your students know well. Try it and let us know how it goes in the comments of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know if you have any questions. Bye!